Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change goals on your Apple Watch. So, today we have the Apple Watch SE 1st Gen, and this is going to work on the all Apple Watches, so it doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have. If you want to change goals, you need to press the digital crown button to enter to the app menu and select fitness, as you can see right now. So we have all the rings out of focus. Come on, let's work a little bit. Oh, it's working. Thanks. You have all the rings right now, the calorie, the exercise, the stand, and the steps, as you can see right now, and the activities that you had on the day. So, to change the goals, you just press the plus minus icon on the bottom right corner, and now you can set your goals. And also you can do this, and if you want to set it, of course you need to press set. And now, as you can see, your goal is set it to the amount that you have just put. And also you can do this to the exercise, for example, let's say 40 minutes, and to stand hours, now let's decrease it to, for example, 6, or even to the you cannot change it to the steps. And also, if you don't want to do this on the Apple Watch, you can do this on the iPhone that is connected to your Apple Watch. So you want to go to the fitness app. I guess you already have it on your iPhone. If you don't have it, just go to the App Store and just download it by searching, type fitness, and download the app from the App Store. If you have it, just open it. And if you have your Apple Watch connected by the Watch app to your iPhone, all the data from the Apple Watch is going to move to your iPhone. And also you can change it, as I said, through your iPhone. Just click on your image account, and as you can see here, you can press change goals, and now you can change it. For example, let's type the 1200 again, as it was said earlier. Change move goal, exercise, let's move it to 30 minutes, and hours, let's place 9 hours again. And as you can see on the app, it has already changed, and let me show you that on the watch it has already changed to the previous amount, because I have changed it on the iPhone. So this is it. This is how you change goals on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.